Birds. Ooh, hey there, Kevin.
Have you ordered anything offline recently?
You should know that I never...
Thank you, sir. There's a large Amazon.com in the living room.
What is it? Kevin, get out of my way. Take me to the package. Don't push it, Kevin.
Just kidding. Isn't your birthday just a hop, skitch, and a punch away from your birthday?
Kev, my birthday isn't a month away.
Oh.
It's my birthday tomorrow. Open the package, Kevin. Oh, wow. What could it be?
My eyes might deceive me. It actually looks like a lion.
How ironic.
Jim?
Amazon.com sent me a lion.
But what exactly would you like to do with the thing?
Whatever I tell you to do with it. His name is Brandon.
Oh, it is.
Kev. He's licking.
I like the name Yancy.
If I catch you calling him Yancy.
Oh, Jimmy bro.
You, Kevin. I love Brandon.
Excuse me.
What is it?
I think Yancy just ate an infant. It is now time to call a tamer.
How dare you?
Oh, I think Yancy just ate a gizmo.
Wow.
You have got to be Maxwell Mimmons, lion tamer for hire.
Watch out.
How dare you?
Mate. Clever girl. Is eating you. Oh, he. Whoa, he. I can handle this.
Hi, big guy. Whoa! I thought you were...
Oh, he. Whoa, he.
Oh, hooray, hooray, hooray! Let the rain shine down on me!
Whoa, he.
Jimmy! Everybody, I don't know if it's safe to have a lion in this house!
Oh, he. Whoa, he. Whoa, who owns this clever girl?
Well, see here,
I do!
Mate, I'm gonna have to take clever girl here back to his ranch.
How dare you?
Well, mate, clever girls of this size are typically kept in a stable environment where they don't have to worry about the temptations of, infants and wild dingoes.
But I love Brandon. How dare you? Hi, big guy.
Hey, bro. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Jeepers creepers! Jimmy, that's your cousin, Reed Sullivan.
Yes.
Oh, he. Whoa, he. Whoa, he.